protest was organized by Youth Congress in front of BJP office in Mallleshwaram Bengaluru today against BJP MPs who are not taking any initiative to pressure central government to provide rice to the state of Karnataka to fulfill Anna Bhagya scheme. Anna Bhagya scheme is one of the poll promises assured to people of Karnataka by Congress government prior to Karnataka Assembly elections 2023. Anna Bhagya provides additional 5 kg rice to people below poverty line. President for Karnataka Pradesh Congress Youth, Mohammad Haris Nalpad said, "We aren't asking rice for free, we are ready to pay for it." He questioned, what are 25 MPs doing? Why aren't they taking any steps to help poor people of Karnataka? MPs were chosen to be the bridge between central and state government. He also quoted BJP President JP Nadda said, if Congress came into power in Karnataka, no central scheme will be rolled out. And to this, Mohammad Haris Nalpad said it ain't a sin that people of Karnataka voted for Congress. Additionally, he said requests will be made to 25 MPs to resign if they cannot do their job. Protesters were seen with disguised masks with the face of 25 MPs along with rice gurney bags on their shoulders. Beke Beku Akki Beku slogans were also heard by the protesters.
फ्री में पूछ रहे क्या? हम क्या फ्री में दियो बोल रहे? हम बोल रहे उसका पैसे हम भरेंगे, हमारे को आप मौका चावल दो, वो देने के लिए आपको क्या तकलीफ ही है? आपका तकलीफ ये है कि अगर कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट में लोगों में चावल दे दिया तो उनको अच्छे नाम आ जाएगा, इनको नहीं देना है. दिस इज डिविसिव पॉलिटिक्स, दिस इज पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ हेट्रेड. वी वांट द पीपल ऑफ कर्नाटका टू गेट 10 kgs of rice. What are these 25 MPs doing? We have elected 25 MPs from Karnataka. What is their job? Their job is to be the bridge between the state government and the central government. Central government is not anyone's father's. Central government is the government of 1.2 billion people of India. All Indians the same government. In Karnataka there is a Congress government. That doesn't mean we will say you are BJP, we will not give you the promise, we will not give you good governance. Governance is given for the whole Karnataka people who voted for us and who didn't vote for us. Shri JP Nadda, the president of BJP, has in his campaign clearly told, if you do not vote for BJP in the state, you will not get any central benefits. What is this? What are you trying to do? We are going to ask today, in the whole of Karnataka, every MP's office, we have gone and we are protesting across Karnataka in the 25 MP offices, asking them to resign or go home. Because if you are not able to bring 25 MPs, 5 kgs of akki, 5 kgs of rice, what are they for? This is a serious problem. There is no time to say Congress is doing, BJP is doing. People of Karnataka need 10 kgs of rice. Can you give it or not? Why are you not giving the people of Karnataka 10 kgs rice? Just because they voted for Congress? Is that a sin? Baba Sahib Ambedkar has given us the constitution, and the right of the constitution is every Indian is equal. Everybody has the same right. This is what we are fighting for, and our fight will go on.
How will you protest today, sir?
We are taking 25 MPs with their masks on, with rice bags on their shoulder, carrying them, making them carry the rice from here to BJP office and asking them to bring it. Otherwise, I am sure the people of Karnataka will put real rice bags on their shoulder. Karnataka में कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट आया है, 135 सीट्स मिला. बीजेपी का राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री जेपी नड्डा जी ने बोला कि अगर आप लोग बीजेपी को वोट नहीं देंगे स्टेट में तो सेंट्रल का कोई स्कीम आपको नहीं देंगे. उसका पहला स्टेप है कि जब हम 5 kg अक्की पूछ रहे, 5 किलो चावल पूछ रहे, ये हमारे को नहीं देने को चाह रहे. ये अगर नहीं देंगे, 25 लोग एमपी, बीजेपी का 25 एमपीस है इधर. ये एमपी लोग क्यों चाहिए हमारे को? ये एमपी लोग कर्नाटका में क्यों चाहिए? हमारा जो तकलीफ है दिल्ली में जाके बात करने के लिए हमने वोट दिया है इनको. ये 25 लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? घर में सो रहे हैं. ये 25 लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? इनका काम है कि दिल्ली में बैठे मोदी सरकार के साथ बातचीत करे और कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट के साथ बातचीत करे और 5 किलो चावल दिलाए. वो काम भी नहीं कर सकते तो ये 25 लोग हमारे को क्यों चाहिए? ऐसा बीजेपी सरकार जो एक दुश्मनी का राजकारण कर रहा है, उनको हम रोकना चाहिए। इसके लिए हमारा आज प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है।